Hi guys, this is T. Venkateshwarlu from Chirala. I am popularly known as TV Sir. Today I am here to talk about the omission of articles. There are different contexts in which we do not use any article. There are about 16 important points that are useful from the viewpoint of academic exams and competitive examinations. The very first point is no article is used before proper nouns. For example, India is a great country. India is a proper noun and we should not use any article before proper noun. And the second point is we should not use any article before titles followed by proper nouns. For instance, President Kennedy was assassinated. President is a title and Kennedy is a proper noun. No article is used before the title followed by a proper noun. President Kennedy was assassinated. You can remember this point in a beautiful manner by remembering certain Telugu films. For instance, Sardar Paparaidu. Sardar is a title, Paparaidu is a proper noun. Justice Chowdhury. Justice is a title and Chowdhury is a proper noun. Lawyer Vishwanath. Lawyer is a title, Vishwanath is a proper noun. Captain Krishna. Captain is a title and Krishna is a proper noun. Driver Ramudu. Driver is a title and Ramudu is a proper noun. Dr. Chakravarti. Doctor is a title and Chakravarti is a proper noun. No article is used before the titles followed by proper nouns. And next, the third point is we should not use any article before the nouns, particularly the common nouns in the singular number to refer to the widest sense. For example, man is a social animal. When I say man is a social animal, it does not refer to only one man. Man, the entire human race is referred to in this context. Man is a social animal. And the next point, the fourth point is we should not use any article before plurals used in a general sense. For example, boys are naughty, girls are shy. Generally, before boys, when it refers to plural noun, we use the. But in this context, to refer to the general sense, no article is used before boys are naughty, girls are shy, something like. And the fifth point is no article is used before the abstract nouns used in a general sense. For example, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is an abstract noun. And when I refer to that particular honesty of somebody, I can say the. Honesty is the best policy. That is the general sense. But I can say the honesty of my friend Mr. Satyanarayana is really great. The honesty of so and so, I can say in a particular sense. And the next point, we should not use any article before material nouns. For example, gold, silver, iron. I can say that gold is a precious metal. But in the particular context, I can use the before gold also. The gold in my ring is of 22 carats only. In such a way we use. And before the names of places of assembly, we should not use any article. This point is very important and this point occurs in a number of competitive examinations. No article is used before the names of the places of assembly when visited for the very primary purpose. What are the places of assembly? School, college, university, hospital, market, etc. These are all the places of assembly. Why we go to school? We go to school either for learning or teaching. The teachers go to school for teaching and the students go to school for learning. Why does the doctor go to hospital? The doctor goes to hospital to give treatment and the patient goes to hospital for receiving treatment. This is the primary purpose. When the places of assembly are visited for the very primary purpose, no article is used before those places. For example, I say, the students go to school daily. No article is used before school in that context. But I can say that my father is coming to the school today to talk to the principal. This is the particular context. And before the names of subjects, we should not use any article. For example, English is my favorite subject. Mathematics is very interesting. Logic is not taught in all schools and colleges. In such a way, before names of subjects, we should not use any article. Before the names of meals, we should not use any article, particularly in the general sense. Dinner is ready. Breakfast is over. Lunch is over. In such context, we should not use any article. But in the particular context, we can use the. For example, the dinner arranged by my friend on so-and-so date at the Taj Hotel was really delicious. That is the particular context. And we should not use any article before the names of games. For example, chess is my favorite game. Cricket is sometimes interesting and sometimes boring. Before the names of games, in general sense, we should not use any article. And before the names of seasons too, we should not use any article. For example, summer is hot, winter is cool. No article before the names of these seasons. And we should not use any article before the names of concrete nouns like hell, heaven, paradise, congress, parliament, etc. And no article is used before the words like father, mother, brother, sister, God, etc. For example, we should say, father is coming, mother is sleeping. We should not say, the father is coming, the mother is sleeping. If we use the before these words, it gives some vulgar meaning. So in order to avoid certain vulgar meaning or some other meaning, we should not use any article before these relations in particular. And before the word home, we should not use any article. For example, go home, stay at home. When I say so, go home or stay at home, the home refers to the home of the speaker or the home of the listener. In that context, we should not use any article before the word home. And after the expressions like kind of, sort of, type of, we should not use any article. For example, what kind of person is he? What type of book is it? What sort of personality is he? In such a way we use. And the 16th point, that is, in the expressions like all day, all night, all year, all life, we should not use any article. And these are the very important points in relation to the omission of article. And this is the end of the topic of the omission of article. And I hope that you have enjoyed this video. And I must really appreciate you for your kind attention towards this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for more updates, and put your comments in the comment box. And thank you very much for your cordial attention. Happy learning.